Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a MyFitnessPal account. So first I'm going to navigate to the MyFitnessPal website, and then I'll see the button that says Start Today and click that. Here I'm welcome to the landing page. I'll go ahead and click Continue to set up my account. Here I'm going to enter my first name, Jen. Next I'm going to pick some goals. For me, I'm thinking lose weight and then maybe modify my diet or manage my stress. And now I'm going to click Next to talk about my goal to lose weight. Now I'm going to talk about some barriers to my losing weight in the past, which are lack of time and, for me, lack of progress. And then MyFitnessPal understands, so I'm going to talk about my goal to modify my diet. Some of the barriers that I face to modifying my diet are difficulty tracking my macros and wanting to eat less sugar, so I'll hit Next after entering those. And then finally, I'll talk about my goal to manage my stress, so I'll go ahead and click Next. Now I'm going to complete this statement. I feel better after I walk. For me, I also feel better after I do yoga. And finally, I feel better after I meditate or practice mindfulness. Then I'll click Next. And I'm going to go into some specific demographics about me so that MyFitnessPal can build a plan for me. My baseline activity level for me at work throughout the day is lightly active, so I'll select that and click Next. Now I'll fill in some more demographic information. I'm female, I'll enter my date of birth, and then I'll enter my zip code where I currently live in the US. Then MyFitnessPal will prompt me to enter my height and weight, which you can see I'm doing here. And then I'm entering a goal weight. So this is just something that I would like to see as I work towards this goal. They really recommend going slow and steady, so I've chosen a goal to lose half a pound per week. And I'll hit Next. And now I'm going to create an account. So it looks like I might have an old existing account. So I'll enter a new email, and then I'll enter a new password that I know that I will remember. And then after this, I'll hit Continue to set up that account. Finally, I need to select a username for myself. It looks like Jen Dowd1 might already be taken, as well as Jen Dowd. So I tried Jen Dowd SYH, but that seems to already be in use as well. So what worked for me was entering Jen Dowd SYH1. Awesome, so now my account is set up with a net calorie goal of 2,070 calories with a goal to lose a certain amount of weight by March 20th, and you can see here I'm signing up for emails. Voila, my account's set up. Here is an advertisement for their premium membership, which I'm not ready for yet, so I just exited out. Now I'm looking at the home page where you can see today, but I'm also going to check out the food and exercise tabs quickly. Here you can see that you can set up your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and snacks, which will give you some information on how to track those. Now I'm going to exercise. I see I can input cardiovascular exercise. I can put in strength training exercise. And then I also like this exercise notes at the bottom, which will be included in my report when it's generated. So I'm just showing that I can take notes on my physical activity right here in MyFitnessPal. Finally, jumping ahead, I just want to check out the reports category. So I just click Reports at the top, and then I see where I can easily export my report after a few days of logging my activity on MyFitnessPal. Now I'm just navigating back to the home screen to show you where everything's centrally located. Thanks so much. Alright everyone, so I'm back here to show you how to download MyFitnessPal on your phone. So you type MyFitnessPal into the App Store, and it should be the first or second thing to come up. Here I clicked the download button to re-download the app to my phone. Now I'm just waiting. But once it's downloaded, it should look like this on your iPhone or your Android. So I'm going to click it to open it up, and I'll talk you through how to create your account. I'm going to let MyFitnessPal send me notifications, and then I'm going to choose to sign up for free. I'll sign up for free by clicking the blue Continue button, and then it's going to ask me some of the same questions. My goals are still to lose weight, to modify my diet, and to manage stress. Now we're going to answer some questions about my goal to lose weight by clicking next. So some of the barriers to achieving my weight loss goal in the past were definitely still lack of time and lack of progress. So I've selected those and I'll click next. Now I'll talk about my goal to modify my diet and I'll click next to prompt those questions. And then what I want to focus on is definitely still to track my macros and to eat less sugar. This time I'm also adding less fat is something that I'd like to focus on. And then I want to give them a little more information about my goal to manage my stress. So I feel better after I walk, after I do yoga or some other fitness class, or after I meditate or practice mindfulness. So I've selected those options and I'll click next. Now we'll go into some of the demographic information they need. Again, I have a lightly active job. I'm going to select my sex is female and then enter my age is 24. Finally, I'll wrap it up by entering my postal code here in the US. I'll hit next to move on. I am 5'7" is what I went with because it was auto-filled. And then I've entered my weight as 190 pounds with a goal weight of 170 pounds, but that's something that can be changed later. My weekly goal is to lose about half a pound per week. And here you can see I am creating my account. So I'm entering a new email address here. And then I'm again going to select a password that I know that I will remember. And this should get me logged on to my new MyFitnessPal account. Finally, they asked some questions for marketing, how I heard about MyFitnessPal. I have friends and family who use the app, as well as here at See Yourself Health. We really like using this app. It's a good option. And then this is confirmation that my account has been created. So I'll hit continue. I'm going to allow MyFitnessPal to access my iPhone's motion information. And then I just closed out of the opportunity to buy a premium account. There, I asked the app to not track my web accessing information. And here I've clicked the meal button, and I'm showing you some of the features that are available for the meals and nutrition in MyFitnessPal. It's very extensive on the phone, so I recommend you checking that out for yourself. And then these are some of the displays that you'll see on your home screen, the primary one being the calories. You can also scroll down to view weight and steps according to my iPhone. And then here you can discover the different parts of the app. You can get workout routines, especially with the premium app. And then you can build your own workout routines. Here I'm logging food and scrolling through to show where you can log your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Here you can also log snacks, water, and your exercise, your physical activity throughout the day. Finally, if I click on more at the bottom right of my screen, you can see the plethora of activities that I can do on the app here. Here I'm seeing my weekly digest of my calories, both burned and logged. And then my macros, my exercise. So this is a little preview to a report that could be generated within the MyFitnessPal app. Here I'm just scrolling through to show you the rest of the things that you can check out in the MyFitnessPal app. Gone to plans to show you some of what that section contains. Then of course you have your news feed. And finally I've navigated back here to the MyFitnessPal dashboard that pops up when you log in. Thanks so much for watching this MyFitnessPal walkthrough.